Hello, nice that you watch my video. Today I'll show you where dirt hides in the wheelhouse, and how it causes rust. First, unscrew your wheelhouse liner. There is a lot of dirt underneath. Now I'm going to show you a method that will give you a high probability of not finding rust in these spots for 10 years. This dirt combined with moisture is extremely bad for your paintwork. The problem is that vibrations on the vehicle make the dirt act like sandpaper and slowly wear away the paint. First, we need to get rid of the dirt. When everything is clean, take a wire brush and remove the loose rust. Now you need a brush. With this brush, we now paint the rust converter over the rust spots. This is then at the same time the primer for the next step. Rust converters stop the rusting of iron and steel or reverse the process. Areas affected by rust become porous and cracked. As a result, moisture can remain there for a long time and promote further rusting. After the rust converter has dried, the anti-rust primer can be applied. After complete drying, rope grease is applied in several layers. This works particularly well when the grease is sprayed with a hook nozzle. All products for this video can be found in the video description. If the fender sheet metal is still good, it is enough to simply preserve the inside. As a last step, put everything back together and enjoy driving. If you liked the video, I would be very happy about a thumbs up. Are you new to my channel? Then I would be very happy about a subscription. Check out my other videos, maybe there's something for you. Take care and see you next time. Bye.